The European Commission fined Apple €500 million for blocking app developers from steering users to cheaper payment options outside the App Store. Meta also got hit with a €200 million fine for its consent or pay model, which forces users to either give up their data or pay for ad-free versions of Facebook and Instagram. Honestly, I was kind of okay with Facebook's approach.
Totally fine with it, to be honest. Just don't use the service.
However, Facebook Marketplace dodged major regulation under the DMA after the EU found that it had fewer than 10,000 business users, so it is no longer designated under the DMA. The note here says, Linus isn't convinced by that 10,000 business user number. Expand on that thought for the class. I'd be happy to. Simply based on the number of commercial entities that I see selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace here, whether it's cars or services or whatever else, across the entire EU, you're going to tell me there's less than 10,000 of them? I do not believe you.
I think that's dramatically underreported.
On a more consumer-friendly note, starting June the 20th, all smartphones and tablets sold in the EU must come with a label showing battery life, energy efficiency, and repairability ratings. How cool is that?
Does that mean there's going to be a standard for evaluating these things? Is there a standard for...
A, B, C, D, E for repairability class.
Yeah, that's not what I mean.
A standard? Oh, I don't know. We can look
How do they rate them?
I don't know.
Who's rating them?
I don't know. Someone is.
How do you rate repairability?
I don't know.
On
iFixit does it.
Yeah, but that's one individual company.
Well, I'm just saying. EU repair. I'm sure there's a rubric. There, EU repairability.
What's the rubric for battery life? What's the test they're doing for battery life?
Repairability index. Calm down.
I'm not saying it doesn't exist. I'm saying I want to see it.
I'll fight you.
What are we fighting about?
Repairability scoring system. Product Bureau. Europa.eu. Repair. Okay, here we go. Including scoring. Here, you happy?
Okay, cool.
Jeez.
How did they do it, though?
Welcome to the website about product repairability. Wow, that is like the most European header that I think I've ever... Okay, project plan. Oh, my God. Documents.
Where's scoring, then?
Related links. Ugh.
Oh, boy. I'd be really interested to see how they score across so many different devices, repairability and battery life.
Here's a second draft report. Okay, smart guy?
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy. How long is this?
We need an AI summary. Stat.
Hold on. We got the thing. We got the index, the table of indexes. Disassembly depth, fastener type, tools, spare parts,
cool,
software updates, repair information, other relevant parameters, selection of scoring parameters. Okay.
I'd be really interested to see how...
Disassembly depth, page 17.
I'd be really interested to see how scaling... how this scale works versus the iFixit scale.
Okay, so disassembly depth. Here we go. Where is it? It said it was on page 17. Disassembly depth. Here we go. A score is assigned for each priority part based on their disassembly depths. A discrete rating is proposed. Points are assigned at priority part level. So rating class 1, disassembly depth index less than or equal to 2 steps is 5 points. If you are 15 steps of disassembly depth, that's 1 point.
And that's a priority part. So a priority part, I'm assuming...
would be like a screen or a battery.
A drive.
Cool.
I'm assuming.
Okay.
Sweet. I wonder how they do battery. But that is very cool.
I mean, most batteries don't move around much, so I'd imagine they just do the battery, yo.
Do the battery.
And then you spontaneously combust.
Someone pokes you and you just blow up.
If you're a Samsung, yeah. Got him. Note 7. Note 7 zing. Wow, that's timely.